You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing words that many mispronounce, including from French and from ballet, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Jete, jete, from French jeter, meaning to throw something. Literally in French, that's what it means, jete. And now, you know, more videos here for you on how to pronounce more confusing words that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.